Hello guys, hope you're right namhlanje. Welcome to our session again today. We're actually playing some games with you, actually with my wife. Yeah, please stay tuned and enjoy this video.
Amen. Tell them to subscribe to like the video.
Oh yes, please guys. Hey, please on this road to 1K, please subscribe, tell your friends. And tell them to tell their friends as well. You know English. Yeah, so we're actually playing the game guys. I'm hoping that I won't lose because I'm trying to buy a loser in generally. But yeah. Culture, what's it going?
Yeah. So guys, this is literally a game I saw on TikTok. But it was too much money, sweet. I don't think so, Greba. But okay, if says Greba, says game. Let me just put everything out. Ne? And should I keep it aside? Okay, so I'm going to explain the game. So this game is a game from TikTok, like I said. So baby, Google is sweetie. So I'm gonna close my eyes, ne? Then when I also cater is sweet, that will be your sweet, your poison. Then you're gonna close your eyes. Then I'm going to also pick my sweet. Then that's gonna be my poison. So we're gonna and eat from these sweets, right? But you must make sure that you don't eat is sweet, it poison your own do. Now also eat poison, I'm also not gonna eat your poison. But obviously we don't know by poison, so so when you take one, I'm gonna tell you about okay, that's my poison, you feel like that's not my poison, Understand?
Yeah.
Clear.
I think I'll lose because I have learned what the imagination.
What imaginary photograph? What is that?
Photographic memory.
Is it photographic?
Yeah.
The fact that
so
it means
it's there. Let's say just the English.
Oh, son. So, but okay.
I'm taking a picture.
But you're not gonna eat it, baby. Like let's say by so then 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 now then we bag. So you're not gonna know by AP poison so you get it.
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
So
the man is a kitty poison. Okay. Cover your eyes. I don't trust you. It's in a nutshell. Like cover your eyes. Baby, cover your eyes and you tell me.
What no, like so I'll be faithful. Yeah, but I must camera.
Oh, I don't trust you, baby. Okay, I'm gonna pick my poison.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay, you communicate poison, yeah. Okay, that's it. The man now, okay, I hope we're not gonna pick the same poison.
But are we not supposed to be trust about not?
No, baby, kaloku uzokhetha yakhe poison. You understand? Okay, pick your poison, baby.
Oh, my poison.
Yes. So uzawukhombile ke uyikhethileyo then uyibeke awuzuyitya. Tell me when you're done picking.
Oh, dang, Mona. Can you just pick it?
But just
I'm
pick.
done. What?
I think it's best about we get then we can't tell you poison because it's a bonagale shine.
Let's stay in the lab. I'm sorry.
Pick another poison.
I think you poison there.
Digqibe.
Man, it's like it.
Just ikhombe baby.
Nikethe.
Ibilavi poison yakho. Okay. Okay. Am I safe or not safe?
Abo ukopile. Why ucelayo la ngqondo?
Don't let.
Poison yami. Sithi la. Wa siyabuya.
Hayi ipoison yakho. So which means sendifile. Wait, so which means send out take yamini?
Uawuthi kodwa ubhaqile.
Yes, kaloku.
Nice and
I think funeka siqalele baby. Njani basensifa?
Phelile game guys.
Hayi bo baby nyani. Round 2.
You're gone.
Did you pick this one as your poison? I'm going to check a video. So check your video. What
But
do you mean?
can bengicabanga ndafuna ungayibhaqi but ubhaqile so okay I didn't know by doing kanjalo guys but
Babe, umuntu wina ngoba poison.
all things work for good.
Okay,
for them that
but it
love
must
God.
be that exact one, not according to a color or anything.
It's the exact one. You don't believe that Nuklisila?
Okay, masqalele babe. I think masqalele I deserve a second chance. Okay. Okay. Be honest. You're
I'm honest.
Okay, pick your poison. Have you picked your poison?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna pick my poison.
What invala?
Nam ngivaliwe nje.
Okay.
Okay. I think my color because I think he bet like wabandi feelings I can. So pick one. I'm gonna tell you if you're safe or not.
I'm safe.
Okay, you can put it aside. When you eat your. So do you still remember your poison?
Yeah.
I forgot mine. But indicated any poison. I forgot mine. Okay.
Again, got comment.
Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. You can open your eyes. Okay, so you have to pick again.
Okay. I think I'll win this game.
Let's okay, confident too much. We're safe.
I'm safe.
Okay. What? Too much confidence. I liked it. Too much of anything is bad. Why is the loser letting it again? Should we try again? Last time.
Yeah, last time.
Okay, let's reshuffle. Cabinet reshuffle. Cabinet reshuffle. Yeah, we are doing so bad. Maybe why is this if I'm senior? Okay, so Tabela choose poison for the last time. I'm sorry guys, we are failing this bad challenge. Keta babe.
You can get him.
Okay. I hope we're not picking the same poison. Okay. Ijake khetha. Ngikhethe mina maqale wena. Yo! You fine. Baby, there's no way.
I mean,
Why is it losing? So
poison was.
Yo, I come back, guys. Then come back, guys.
You can go again.
Okay. Do you wanna see if I'm done?
You can try.
Are you gonna choose another poison?
Choose the one. Yeah, I'm safe.
I'm safe. Choose again.
Very safe. 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 Yeah, safe.
Safe. Oh my god, I'm such a pro. Mm.
Tibulel, awufika logo.
Yo, this is how much sweets I would have had. Your heights a fail, but it's fine. I'm not gonna eat this much sweets.
Oh.
But again, thank you guys for watching. Baby, manners.
Sorry.
Guys, we suck at this game. Simoyan me, baby. So they are connected. You know, can't in the drifter.
That's all I can say, man. You just
Sana. But guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Yes.
Please subscribe. Please like. Please leave a comment because I nearly just school you.
Oh yeah.
Suggest us any challenges or games that you want us to play.
Plus, no pranks, please.
Pranks. Do you want to do pranks? There's already pranks.
Yeah.
Pranks is sensitive.
Yeah.
There are the emotions pranks. Not as extreme.
Yeah, we can suggest pranks, guys. Follow prank.
Okay, guys. Bye.